You are aware that the length of time a property sits on the market affects its appeal and influences what buyers are prepared to pay for it. So, how long should a property be on the market? In stable markets, the average time on market runs between 60 and 120 days, depending on location and price point. I believe the prime time to sell a property is within the first 2 weeks. I base this on the fact that your interest levels, inquiry rate, and overall activity will peak during this early phase. Maximum activity produces maximum prices. So, how do we achieve a more timely sale? Very briefly, firstly, prepare properly. Know the property inside out. Identify its key strengths and points of difference. Know who your target market is, that is, who your ideal buyer is. Ideal buyers pay ideal prices. Design and produce a strategic marketing program that puts the spotlight on its key features. Put structure to your selling campaign. Have a definite start date and a proposed end date or sale date. Launch your property loud and proud. Run what I call an attraction-based marketing program, but do so aggressively. Get inside the minds of buyers before they arrive at the first viewing. Fuel buyer interest. Generate as much activity around the property as possible and create a real sense of buyer urgency. Keep the seller fully informed and on standby to expect, receive, and accept offers. When buyers express interest in the property, be in a position to provide them with all the necessary documentation. Have everything on hand. Whenever possible, negotiate with these buyers or your buyer's agents face to face. Obtain the best offer possible and lock it in on a formal contract. Present it to the seller and get the job done. Having structure and a predetermined plan is key to reducing time on market. This is good for your seller and it's great for your business. Once again, I'm Michael Mahon, your real estate success strategist. If you found this video helpful and informative, and if you feel that I've delivered some value to you, look below, like the video, subscribe to my channel, or follow me. And don't forget to smash the bell to receive more notifications.